to build in this course. So in this course we are going to build a complete e-commerce website. The project name is Shop It. Okay, so this is the home page. You can see that here we have latest products. I have implemented the pagination. If I go to page 2, I can view the next 4 products. On page 3 I can view my last product. Okay, so this is the pagination. I can go to the first page like this. And also I have in here the search bar to search the products. For example, if I type here Apple and press enter, you can see that keyword is equal to Apple this, and 3 products found with keyword Apple. So I have here 3 products with keyword Apple, and here I have my filters. For example, I want to get only products that has price between 100 and let's say 500. If I click on go, you can see that I get here only this product. If I remove this from here, click on go, you can see that I have these 2 products. And if I type here maximum value like 200 and I remove this min from here, click on go, I can also filter out like this. I have 2 products with this filter criteria. Okay, in the same way I can also remove all filters, go, now I have 3 products. Okay, I can also test in here the categories, like I only want to get here laptops, so I get here laptops. I only want to get food, I get here this. If I uncheck it, I get here all 3 products. In the same way I can filter out with the ratings, like I only want to get product that has rating greater than 3, so all these products rating is greater than 3. If I click on 4 and 5, so only this product has rating that is 5, so I get here this. If I uncheck it, I get all 3 products. I can also apply here multiple filters, like I type here that maximum value is going to be like 500, okay, and get only product that has rating 5, like this. I can also get it like this. I can also select it from here, like price is 500, I only want to get in here laptops, I get here 0 products. If I select in here food, I will get this. So in this way our filters and search will work. Okay, so this is our search, filter and pagination. If I open any product from here, for example if I open this one, you can see that I have here product images, so I can click on and preview the images like this. So this is the image preview. Then I have title of the product, product ID, then the reviews, then the price, and here I have the quantity select, and with the help of this button I can add the product to the cart. And you can see that the status is out of stock, this product is not in stock. This is the description, sold by the seller name, and login to post your review. If I click on this button, you can see that this button is disabled because this is out of stock. I cannot select here quantity, I cannot purchase this product because it is out of stock. Okay, if I go back and let's select this product, now this product is in stock. Okay, and we have here some data. I can view the images. Let's add to cart. So item added to cart. Okay, if I go to the cart, you can see that here this is the cart. So your cart has 1 item and this is the item. Total units are 1. Estimated total is $45. I can also increase the quantity from here. You can see that now it is 2 units and this is the price. I can increase that like this. I can also add more here. This product is also out of stock. Let's add this. I want to purchase these headphones. Okay, let's add to cart. Item added to cart. If I go here, you can see that I have these and this item also in the cart, 5 this and 3 this. Now we have total 8 units and this is the amount that user has to pay. Okay, so this is the cart. I can also remove the item like this, that is gone. Now I only have here 3 units and this is the estimated total. Now let's add it again. I want to purchase these items, so I click on checkout. Now the checkout is protected route, so we have to log in. Okay, we are redirected to the login page. So now let's first of all register new user. I call it like Gulam, and let's call it Gulam 3@gmail.com. And if I type here 1 2 3 4 5 6, if I type here 5 register, you will see that your password must be longer than 6 characters. So we have implemented the validation also. If I type here 6 and I use in here like admin@gmail.com, and if I click on register, you can see that duplicate email entered. This means that we already have user with this email. So let's change it to Gulam 3 like this. Now if I click on registered, so we are now registered and login. You can see that here we have this user that has orders, profile and logout. If I go to the profile, you can see that here we have user settings. This is the default avatar of the user. Full name is this, email is this, joined on this date. I can update my profile, like I want to update my name here like this. If I click on update, my name is updated and user updated like this. You can see that here. I can also update my avatar, upload my avatar. If I choose from here, let's choose this avatar. open, you can see the preview of the avatar. If I click on upload, so it is uploading my image on the Cloudinary. So avatar uploaded, and I will see my image right in here. If I reload the page, my image is there. If I go to Cloudinary, I have here avatars folder. If I open that, you can see that here we get this new file, which is this one. Okay, so it is successfully uploaded. So in this way we can update the profile, upload the avatar. I can also update the password, like my old password is 123456. Let's put in here 7, and my new password is 123456 7. If I click on update password, so old password is incorrect. I have to type here 123456, update password, so password updated. If I log out from here, let's log in again with Gulam 3. If I type here my previous password 123456, login, so invalid email or password. So my new password is 7, login. So now I can log in with the details. Okay, so now let's go to the cart and purchase these items. I go to the checkout. So here I have to enter my shipping details. So you can see that first of all you have to enter shipping details, then confirm order, and then the payment. So here first of all you have to enter the address, and you can see that we have saved these address details in the local storage. So application has already filled our form. Here you have to enter your address, city, phone number, zip code, select your country from this list. And now if I click on continue, now here this is the second step, that is confirm order, where we have to confirm the order details, like shipping info, name of the user is this, phone number is this, address is this, these are the items that user is purchasing. So 3 this, that is equal to this, 1 this, that is equal to this. So this is the order summary. So subtotal is 942.89, shipping is 0, tax is 141.43, which is 15%, and then total is this that user has to pay. Okay, so if the user order is less than 200, then we will charge $25 for shipping, otherwise we will charge $0. For example, if I let's remove this from here. If we go to checkout, continue, now you can see that here we are charging $25 for shipping under $200. Okay, in this way we can charge that. So let's purchase this again. So now if I click on proceed to payment, you can see that here we have two options for the payment. So select payment method, one is cash on delivery and one is the card with Visa or MasterCard. We have integrated this Stripe to accept the payments. Okay, for example, I type here cash on delivery. If I click on continue, I am moved to /me/orders page. I have here one order with this ID, this is amount, payment status is not paid, order status is processing. So our order is successfully created, and you can see that here the cart is now empty. Okay, because we have purchased the items, so we have cleared the cart. Now if I go to my orders, I can view my orders right in here. I can view the details with this button. You can see that your order details with this ID, status is processing, created on this date. These are the shipping info, this is the payment info, that not paid, method is COD, Stripe ID is nil, and this is amount that you have to pay. And these are the order items. Okay, 1 piece this and 3 pieces this. Okay, so if I go to my orders, here you can see that also I have here one more button for the invoice. If I click on that, you can see that here we get invoice, order, then slash the ID of the order. Okay, so here you can see that this is the Shopit logo, this is the invoice number, the user details, date, status not paid, these are the company details. So here are the products that user has purchased, quantity, subtotal, tax 15%, shipping is 0, grand total is this. So this is the invoice that user can download. So if I click on download invoice, I can download a PDF file with this name. If I open that, you can see that here this is the invoice. Okay, so you can print that if you want. Okay, so now let's place another order, but this time with the Stripe. Let's purchase these AirPods, add to cart. Let's also purchase this laptop, this is also out of stock. Let's purchase this, add to cart. So now I have these two items in the cart. Let's add more. If I go there, now you can see that I have 3 items. Okay, so if I click on checkout, continue, proceed to payment, here I select here card, which is this one, continue. Now it will move me to the Stripe checkout page. So here you can see that I have this product, this product, this product. These are the product prices. Then subtotal is this, shipping is free because user has purchased more than $200. Sales tax is 15%, which is this, and total amount is this. If I enter here card details, the dummy card details, enter here any CVC. If I click on pay, so now it will pay the amount. and you can see that the order is created. So this is the order that is 749.72. Payment status is paid and the order status is processing. If I view the details, you can see that now the status is paid, method is card, and Stripe ID is this. So this means that user can also pay while purchasing the product. Okay, I can also actually view the invoice from here. So this is invoice and status is paid. Okay, so now also if I log out from here, if I forgot the password, I can go to the forgot password. I type here gulam3@gmail.com. Let's type in here wrong email, send email. So user not found with this email. If I type here correct email, send, so sending the email. So email sent, please check your inbox. So for that I have implemented the mail trap. Okay, you can see that we get in here this email, Shopit password recovery email, and you can see that here, hi Gulam Abbas, which is my name. Okay, you recently requested to reset your password for your Shopit account. Use this button to reset. This password is this basically password is valid only for 30 minutes. And also you can see the link in here. If I click on reset your password, I can enter my new password here. I type here 123456 123456 set password. So password does not match. I type here 6 set password, and now the password is set successfully. If I log in with my previous password, that is 123456 invalid email password, type here 6 login, and now I can log in. And now if I log out, I cannot reuse this link. If I open that and I type here 123456 and then 123456 set password, so password reset token is invalid or has been expired. So user can only use this link once. So in this way we will send the email and we will reset our password. Okay, now we have seen all the routes of the normal user. Now let's see the admin dashboard. And also you can see your payment in your Stripe. You can see that this is amount that we has paid, that is 792 for these products. Okay, close this Stripe from here, and let's also close this Cloudinary. Okay, now let's log in with our admin account. So I have email with admin@gmail.com and password is going to be 123456 login. So this is the admin account. You can see that here admin3. I can also see here one more option that is called dashboard, and this is only accessible for admins. If I click on dashboard, you can see that here this is the admin dashboard. So here we will display the total sales of the current month. You can see that the start date is 1st October and today is 4th October, so it has by default selected today's date. In this month so far we have 2532 sales and 6 orders. You can also see the graph in here. The green line is for sales and red line is for orders. So today we have 4 orders with this amount. Yesterday we have 171 sales and 1 order. In the same way we have the orders. I can also change the date here, like if I want to get from 1st September to today, if I can fetch, now you can see that I have 6 orders. I don't have any order in my previous dates. So you can see that here we get graph from the 1st September to this 4th October. So in this way I have all the sales right here. And after that we can create a new product here. Like if I just show you, I type in here some gibberish values just to show you. I type here 10 stock, that is going to be accessories, seller name is going to be this. Click on create. So product created. Now if I go to the home page, I have here this product, which is this microphone. So by default, if there are no images, we will assign this a default image. If I open that, these are the details. Okay, now the stock is 10. You can see that here, sorry, 9. If I select in here, you can see that I cannot select more than 9 because I only have 9 products in this stock. So we also apply the check that user cannot purchase more than this stock. Okay, let's upload the images. If I click on images, let's upload that. So I will upload, for example, these 3 images. Open. Now there are 3 images. You can see that here. I can filter the images, like I don't want to upload this, and let's also remove this. Okay, now let's upload these images. If I click on upload, it is uploading. So image is uploaded. If I go to the images again, now you can see that I have product uploaded images that are right here. If I reload this page, now I have in here 3 images. Okay, so product images are successfully uploaded. I can also delete one. For example, if I delete this one, so delete, that is gone from the Cloudinary and also from the database. If I reload the page, now only have 2 images here. If I reload this page, Now you can see that I only have here 2 images. So in this way we will also upload and delete the images. Next we have the orders. You can see that here we have 6 orders with the ID, payment status, order status. I can update the status from here, like I can update from here to delivered, update status not is delivered. Okay, if I change status again, update status, you can see that you have already delivered this order. So in this way it will work. I can also generate the invoice like this. Okay, and can also delete order, like this order is gone. Okay, now we have users in here. You can see that we have 3 users. This is avargulam3@gmail.com, which is normal user. I can also update it from here, the role, like to admin. Update, now this user is also admin. In the same way, I can also get in here reviews. For example, I have purchased this product. I have submit your review button. Okay, and now this button will only be available if I have purchased a product. For example, I have not purchased this product. You can see that the button is not here. So submit your review button will only be available to the users that has purchased the product. Let's give the review, like I type here nice card, submit. You can see that review posted. So we have here review by admin3, that is nice card. Okay, if I reload the page, I have these reviews. Okay, if I want to get the reviews of this product, I copy that from here, go to the reviews, put that in here, search. Now I have this review, that is by admin3, nice card 5. If I pass in here like this, copy this from here, put that here, search, I have no reviews. Okay, I can also delete a review. If I copy this product ID from here, put that here, search, you can see that here. If I click on delete, that review is gone. If I search no review, if I go back, reload the page, now that review is gone. I can give the review again, submit, so search, now we have that review back again. So in this way we have this admin panel that you can modify according to your needs. And now if I log out, I can log in again with Gulam3. Now that user is also admin. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, so log in, and now you can see that we also have dashboard option here for this user. All 3 users are admin. Now at the end we also have deployed this application on Cyclic. You can see that it is deployed on internet. If I reload the page, you can see that this is now deployed. Okay, the paginess is working properly. If I open that, that is also deployed. Okay, so we will also deploy this application at the end. So that's the end of this video. If you have any question, you can post in the Q&A. I will try my best to respond there. So I will see you in the next lecture.